Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. DTC P0651 indicates a sensor reference voltage B malfunction, specifically affecting the Honda Civic models from 2022 onwards. This trouble code is triggered when the engine control unit, commonly known as the PCM or Powertrain Control Module, detects that the power supply for a connected sensor deviates from specified electrical parameters. The sensors reliant on this voltage include critical components such as the CMP sensor A, turbocharger boost sensor, and engine oil pressure sensor. If the power supply is insufficient or excessive, it leads to potential operational failures that can affect engine performance and emissions control. Diagnosing this code involves checking various circuits associated with the PCM to ensure they are functioning normally. The error description for DTC P0651 points to a malfunction in the sensor reference voltage B supply. The PCM is designed to monitor the power supplied to various sensors, which are vital for optimal vehicle operation. When the voltage from the VCC circuits, specifically VCC2, VCC5, and VCC6, falls outside permissible limits, the PCM registers this abnormality and stores the DTC. Affected components include the CMP sensor A and other sensors critical to engine management. These sensors generally reside within the engine compartment, connected through multi-pin connectors to the PCM, ensuring they receive the necessary voltage supply for accurate readings. Several potential causes can lead to the activation of DTC P0651. A common issue includes a short circuit in the wiring associated with the VCC circuits. This could be a fault in the physical wiring itself or poor connections that create intermittent failures. Additionally, the PCM could itself be faulty, failing to regulate or recognize voltage levels properly. Individual sensors may also experience failures or irregularities that drop their voltage supply. Lastly, poor connections arising from corrosion or loose connections can also contribute to the error. Each of these factors warrants thorough inspection to ascertain the root cause of the voltage malfunction. Common symptoms associated with DTC P0651 may significantly impact the vehicle's performance. A noticeable decrease in engine performance can occur due to mismanaged sensor data, leading to delayed acceleration or rough idling. The check engine light is typically illuminated on the dashboard, signaling the driver to investigate the issue sooner rather than later. You may also experience discrepancies in sensor readings reported by the dashboard, often indicating malfunctions. Lastly, increased emissions may arise due to improper fuel-air mixtures as a result of faulty sensor readings, violating environmental standards and potentially leading to additional penalties. The first troubleshooting step involves turning the vehicle ignition to the on position without starting the engine. This step is critical as it allows the PCM to initialize and assess the current state of connected sensor circuits. After engaging the ignition, it's important to verify that the VCC circuits, VCC2, VCC5, VCC6, are receiving the correct voltage. Observing the initial conditions sets the groundwork for further inspection and prevents unnecessary diagnostics should the power supply be functioning correctly. Ensuring that power is adequate will lead to more complex examinations if the issue persists. For this step, you will need to disconnect several key connectors: PCM connector A, 50P, PCM connector E, 80P, CMP sensor A, and other sensors as listed. Once disconnected, inspect the VCC circuits for shorts to ground or power. It's crucial to verify the continuity and resistance of each circuit component, ensuring there are no interruptions or excessive resistance impeding voltage flow. Following this method reduces the likelihood of overlooking critical issues within the circuitry. Should any shorts or breaks be detected, these will need rectification before proceeding. In this troubleshooting phase, inspect the external circuits linked to the PCM. Confirm that all connections remain clean, tight, and free of corrosion. As you reconnect each component one at a time, utilize the diagnostic scanner to check for any pending or confirmed DTCs. This allows for real-time data to determine if the issue lies with a specific sensor as it's connected. By checking each sensor one by one, you can precisely isolate the faulty component causing DTC P0651. If any DTCs reappear, addressing the specific component will be essential to resolving the overall issue. After completing the repairs associated with DTC P0651, it's essential to clear the diagnostic trouble code from the PCM. This purges any history of the fault, allowing for a fresh diagnosis post-repair. Following this, perform a comprehensive diagnostic check to validate that no further faults have emerged. A test drive then becomes necessary to assess the vehicle under real operating conditions. Monitoring for any warning lights or performance issues will reveal whether the repairs successfully resolved the condition leading to P0651. Final confirmation relies on ensuring that all functions return to normal, with no recurrence of the fault code. To prevent the recurrence of DTC P0651, adopting a proactive maintenance approach is crucial. Regular circuit inspections should be conducted to verify that wiring remains intact, especially in areas subject to vibration or environmental exposure. Keeping electrical connections clean and free of corrosion mitigates the risks of intermittent faults caused by poor connectivity. Additionally, monitoring the performance of sensors allows you to catch any inconsistencies in data early. It's advisable to periodically check the integrity of the PCM and its programming as well. Through diligent preventive measures, the likelihood of triggering P0651 again can be significantly reduced. In summary, DTC P0651 represents a significant issue concerning sensor reference voltage supply in the Honda Civic 2022 Plus. Understanding its implications and symptoms is crucial for effective diagnosis. The roles of various sensors and the PCM in vehicle operation cannot be overstated. Thus, thorough inspections are vital for identifying faults. Following systematic troubleshooting steps aids in accurately pinpointing the issue, allowing for precise repairs. Furthermore, implementing preventive maintenance strategies helps avoid future occurrences of this error code. Overall, addressing DTC P0651 promptly will maintain the vehicle's efficiency and performance, optimizing the driving experience. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.